Hey there, I'm Mariana and welcome to Creation Odyssey. So today guys, I bring you one of last year's best girls. She's brave, sweet, enduring, optimistic, loves all her family, even the ones who do her wrong. Emma from The Promised Neverland. So The Promised Neverland is an anime out of Japan. It is rated T for teen, that's ages 16 and plus. And Emma here is a nendoroid, as most of you know. She is meant for ages 14 and older. It is a pretty gnarly anime. A lot of people get super shocked by this. I found out about the manga 2 years ago. Yeah, 2 years ago. Viz Media came up on my Instagram and I was like, what's this about? I guess I'll order this manga. I got the manga and was instantly intrigued and obsessed. Guys, I don't like a whole lot of shonen mangas, but I absolutely loved this one. Anime is just as good. The animation turned out beautiful, really captured the characters. No spoilers though, guys, because true story, I have not gotten past volume 5. I have to make choices in life, nendos or manga. I can't buy both at the same time. It's a really sad story of my life. Anyway, let's go ahead and open her up and see what she looks like inside. Okay guys, I got Emma here from Ami Ami, where I get most of my nendos. It's either Ami Ami or Tom, right? And I'm super excited. There's a lot of stuff that's gonna be a part of her that I don't know anything about, because like I said, I haven't gotten past volume 5. Oh, she's got she has a false bottom, guys. All right, so here's her extra arms and hands. She has a lot of stuff. She's got a lot of little extras. There we go. So here, she's got one permanently bent leg. This part, her skirt, I'm not sure what this is about though. Need to read. Got her little backpack and lantern. Look at this happy face, guys. Isn't she adorable? Ah. So one thing, because a nendoroid's neck is really small, they couldn't put her tattoo on her neck how it's supposed to be, so they put it on the bottom right here. It's funny. It's funny. It's a funny quirk. Does anybody else just think that's weird? Maybe they should have just, left the tattoo off then? I don't know. I mean, that is definitely part of her character if you have seen the anime. No spoilers, guys. This is a no spoiler zone. Don't be a turd. No spoilers. Anyway, but if you have seen the anime, you know this is on her neck. It's a big part of it. I love how they captured her hair. Her hair is crazy, yet manageable. I don't know. Nobody in real life has this hair, guys. Nobody in real life has this. So, and then she's got 2 different there we go. There's that one. There's that one. Little angry face. Determined face. And then here's a shocked face. Such a funny face. All right, let's set Emma up and let's chat. Okay, guys, so here she is, adorable as can be, ready for... Nope, actually, these kids are not ready for what they are about to face in life. But hey, you know what? You gotta read it. You gotta watch it. You just have to. You have to. Anyway, my only qualm with Emma, Good Smile Company has yet to release a Ray or Norman Nendo. Guys, I am really not a fan of standalone series Nendoroids because you can do some stuff with them, but there's only so much you can do with them. Like, you can't really create a new story with them if you're doing what I do, like with the video and the photography and things like that. So that's probably like my only bummer, but I think she's fine on her own. And in December, I will be getting the A-Zone International Promised Neverland dolls, so I'll have Ray and Norman there. Little bit of a compromise because you don't get the face placement stuff with the dolls, but can't have your cake and eat it too, right? Anyway, that's my only issue with this. I think they did really great on her expression, her eyes, her hair. I think she has all the stuff that she needs with her. I know her outfit does change slightly because I've seen the covers, I think in like volume like 7 or 8 or something like that, a volume that I don't have basically. So yeah, I think Good Smile Company did really good with this one. I like her. Like I said before, my only like issue is that she doesn't have her like, you know, her PICs, her partners in crime. But other than that, she's a great Nendo. That's it, guys. Tell me in the comments below what you think of The Promised Neverland. What were your first reactions? Were you shocked? Were you amazed? Were you horrified? Were you intrigued? What did that first volume, that first episode do to your mind? Because when I first picked it up, I was not expecting what I saw. I can tell you guys that much. But the story itself, awesome. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a like. Again, comment down below. And if you're popping around on my channel and you like what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you can get notifications when new videos are posted. Till next time.